What's up guys, today we're going to do another mystery box from my death pile, whatever they called, a hoard of gadgets that is sitting here devaluating. Like this is Eagle Go blower, super nice and pretty expensive. So I'm trying to get rid of a lot of stuff that is I do not need, and I'm tired moving it back and forth, wasting time. So I'm gonna donate, sell, and get rid of it. There's a bin full of gadgets, and look, there's some cool stuff inside of it. It's full, so it's gonna be like 20 gadgets right here. Let's see what's inside there, because I have no idea. It's been years or months. So let's open it up, see what we find inside this mystery box bin. Okay guys, so this side will be stuff that I keep, sell, trade. This side will be donate, and trash will be probably behind me. So right away I see this cool thing. It's actually cool for my kids. I guess it's like somewhat educational. So it's like statistical probability little gadget. I have no idea. So it's really interesting and unique little thing. Definitely keeping that, but I have like educational items. Let me keep it right here. Oh, this is cool. Lay and go. This is like $29. It's a little pouch that is opens up like that, and Legos, so like all this like toothpaste, anything, everyday carry things could be used in. It is super nice gadget. So this is definitely going to go sell. I don't need another one. This stuff people send me, these companies. This one I'm talking about. This is a little speaker. It is super nice. This is probably like $40. What happens to technology after 3, 4 years, 5 years, 10 years? They devalue it, and technology devalued within a year now, so fast, like cell phones. So definitely goes into sell pile. Glove, left it. Nobody needs left-handed glove. All I need is right-handed. I'm kidding, but it's just funny. There is a little lantern cord. I think I have a lantern here somewhere. So it could be sold with the package. I don't need so many lanterns. This is like unopened. No, it's open. I think this is Monoflix. Probably some kind of Chinese lighter. What is this? What? I have no idea. Oh, this is like a little ring holder. That's hilarious. To like a proposal ring, and then a ring pops up. I don't know why I have this. This is probably going to go into donate box. It would be easy to sell, but it's such a gimmicky item. I don't think it is very popular. I don't want to sit on it. I would only sell things that is worth good money, or like this stuff, probably not worth much. This is some, oh, it's a umbrella, shield umbrella for the car. This is kind of cool. Windshield, instead of that folding aluminum, it is actually awesome gadget. I might film that actually. I should have like a film section. Oh, this is awesome. I'm pretty sure I filmed that already. Maybe not. This is one of those bucket like organizer that I put in there, and they like zip together with the string and keeps all the bolts and pieces all in one thing, and it could be stacked up 3 buckets. I'm pretty sure I already filmed that. So why would I need it? This flashlight, atomic beam. I don't know, I never end up filming it. I've seen on TV stuff. I don't know why I have it. This is cool stuff. This is the thermometer. Probably want to keep that. But yeah, again, devaluating. Oh my goodness. What is this? Timers. I think it making noises kind of freaked me out. They're not worth much, like $10. Survival stuff. Definitely want to keep that. So we'll put it in there. Can make a survival a lot. Rock grill. I don't know. I guess it's small enough to sell it, but I don't think that will be much value in it, probably like $10. Those are cool. Battery holders, kind of to go. Okay, this is interesting. I think I know what it is. What is this? Oh, that one is like okay. This is some kind of like a drop pouch. I think I bought it and I was like, what is this? Looks like some kind of sock with a little holder. So I was kind of disappointed. So I never filmed it. So went into my death pile hoard. I'm gonna probably donate. I don't even know what this is. Flashlights. I mean, this is super cheap flashlight. One of those multi-tools on Amazon. Yeah. Okay, I don't know why I have not filmed that. This is actually cool. Kind of got lost in here. This is Ready Wise 2-day survival food. Just kind of grab and go pouch, waterproof. So for camping. We'll have to review that. I'm into survival stuff a lot. What is this? Plastic weld. I don't think I ever bought this. Some kind of glue stick, plastic weld. Probably was sent to me fan mail. I was like, how am I gonna review this? Laser stuff. Why I have this stuff? That is cool. Lanterns. Definitely filmed that. I remember filming it. Flashlight and lanterns, batteries devaluate every day because they make them better and better. Especially batteries. I gotta sell that. Oh, this is cool. Probably gonna keep that. And look, it comes with the tag. This is like one of those grab and go folding water canteen with the spout over here. This is really nice. I don't even think I ever filmed it. It looks like brand new. Either way. But because it's so beat up, I don't think it's valued that much anymore. It loses value because it's sitting here. Even though it's new, it is all kind of dirty. There's some kind of case, vitamin case. Oh man, this is like $15 pumps. I definitely filmed that one many times. I don't even think it would be worth selling because like shipping on a box like that with USPS cheapest would be about $10 and that's like $15 item. So I will be making more money for eBay and USPS and only getting like a little fraction of the value of the item. So it's best to just donate. Kitchen gadgets, covers, no. Oh, wow. Oh, okay. This is like a toothpaste, paint, like squeezer. There's no value in that. That stuff I was sent for free. Pretty sure I even filmed it. Oh my goodness. What is this doing here? This is what I'm talking about. There's a bunch of junk. Look at that silky folding saw. This is right here $40. And it's one of those handles, non-sleek handles. Pretty sure it's kind of like a limited edition. You all know Pocket Boy silky folding saws are really nice. So sitting here, losing value. Luckily that kind of stuff, you know, it's good forever, so it does not devaluate it, it didn't get rusted. Ooh, there's a bigger one. I'm probably gonna keep a couple. Probably gonna keep these ones, but it should be in my camping bins, not with a bunch of pile of junk. I put those to the test. They are nice. I remember filming it like a year ago or so. So hopefully you guys enjoying this interesting junk doors. Look at our flashlights. Energizer. Those are cheap stuff. I don't even know if I want it. It's so cheap. And you know it's funny, Walmart has one of those headlamps, way better adjustable. Another headlamp right here. Maybe I'll make a junk door, sell it on eBay. Oh, rock tumbling, abrasive kit. I remember buying it, thought I'm gonna do like some kind of rock tumblers. Wow, UCO candle. That is cool. Another very expensive item, at least $30 right here. So I filmed it, definitely, but definitely separating it good. This bottle opener, expensive. I know this is expensive bottle opener, and it is nice and thick in aluminum. I'm probably going to put it in my house. Who does not need extra bottle opener? What am I saying? Battery. So this is probably going to go into my house or sell it, because this thing is aluminum, but really durable. Die-cast steel. Wow. So this is going to be a nice valuable item. Cool. Bosch tools. I don't know what I'm going to do with that. I got pods to do renovation, so they give me $2 with the pods. So I'm gonna need that. Look at that. This is like $12. Why it is easy to sell? Because it's so small. The shipping would be like $3. Why am I sitting on it? I don't know. There's trash. And what is this? Some kind of like microwavable bowls. This is definitely goes into donate or trash. Probably trash. Nobody needs that kind of stuff. Nobody uses this stuff. I might have used this bin for trash. Wow, there's 2 bins in here. Should need some more donation. Getting over here. And 1 will be for trash. So, very cool mystery box right here. Let me know in comments below, what do you think? We still have a long way to go. There is so much stuff, especially when I used to open up junk drawers. For some reason, I kept most of it. There's a quick detach little thing. It's really inexpensive. Feels pretty like, cheap. A carabiner right here. Like a tactical quick detach. I would use it for like maybe fishing pliers and stuff. Unique. But anyways, did not find this little thing. It probably already in my basement or something. I cleaned up my basement. It's all here. So we're going to keep going, see what happens. So this is the progress we did. A whole bin full of stuff. Sell bucket, donate bucket a little smaller. I do have a lot of nice stuff, but it is definitely devaluated since it's been sitting here in elements. Check this out. This is this coffee, a charger and warmer. This is $80. Why is it sitting it? In about 5 years it will worth nothing because it will be devaluated. This is this hammock right here, $40. Instead of spending more money, sometimes I could just take a picture instead. There you go, $15. Take a picture, works. $16 right here, little gadget. I could definitely sell it on Amazon. It's so easy to ship. Why is it sitting here devaluating? So, and even these little like cases, foam cases. Let's see. Look at that, $30. I do not need that. Why am I sitting it on it here? This is different sizes, so I gotta make sure I have the right size. But they go up to $50. So I'm sitting here on money. I could invest it instead of keeping it and keep moving it back and forth, wasting my time. So this is why I'm cleaning it all out, all the liability.